Hi, I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support, where you ask the questions and we give the answers. Our question today is, how do I treat for mosquitoes? First, you'll want to start by removing anything in your yard that has standing water. These are things like bird baths, clogged gutters, potted plants, maybe an old tire that has water in it, or even a trash can lid that could be turned upside down. For standing water that you can't remove, like ponds or low-lying spots in the yard, make sure that you're using a larvicide. This will not only stop them from maturing, but also stop them from reproducing. Now, female mosquitoes can lay hundreds of eggs in just a half inch of water, and they're also the only ones that bite. I'll let that joke write itself. Next, you'll want to treat with the pro-grade liquid concentrate, an IGR and a surfactant. This will target the adults and the immatures for total control. Make sure that you're spraying in your mulch beds, your ornamental landscaping, or any other area in the yard that's shady during the heat of the day where they may hide. I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support. If you have any pest control questions you need answers to, or have any pest-related problems you need help with, stop by one of our stores, visit our website, or give us a call and get help today.
Potted plants, trash can lids, old tires,
Bird baths, clogged gutters. I have 5 words, I can't say it. That's okay.